Hello friends, today we are working on one old window and old gutter and a tree around it with wisteria. I make these outlines with the gray fine liner, which also have a brush from this side, and it is very good. I don't know will I use it anymore. I just want to make the sketch, and then I put this masking fluid from Goya, and that is that. I want this part to stay white, and also the shutters I want them white, but not totally. That's why I didn't put masking fluid here. Our wisteria will be purple and pinkish and very light, beautiful. We will have a little bit of green here on this side, and first we will everything paint with this color because this is the color of this old house, and later on some places we will add also the darker cream because of shadows and everything. So first this light. I'm using this brush from, I think it's Goya, I'm not sure. And also I have this little brush number, I think it's number 1. That is that for now. And yes, the most important thing I didn't tell you, my painting will be made with shimmer colors, but not everything, just some places here and there. So this is our branches from my wisteria. This one goes to the end of the page. Later we will add a more darkest brown, mix it with the painter's gray. So I will start from this side. Because these branches are very close to us, they will not be too much in focus. That's why I adding on the wet paint. Now I want to also this painter's gray on the windows because inside is dark. And then again, this wall needs to be very watered down, this creamy color. And since this wall is not very smooth, I will add a bit like this, little points to show that this is not super smooth wall, especially here on this side because this side is closer to us. Maybe this, and also this is in shadows, so we will add painter's gray, more of it, and make some shadows around these branches here and there. And also around the window. I want to show some shadows. This especially on this side and here, down here. Now we have shadows also on shutters. And here, from this side of these gutters, we also need to show shadows. Now we're waiting everything to dry, and then we will add green and Wisterias. Now till this dries, we need to add green. So I will start from the lightest green and I will add it on some places, of most of the places, not some. Now the darkest brown we will make with more of the gray. We will mix with this amber color. Now we have darkest one, so we'll see like this. This is branches from Wisteria. Very irregular because nature is not very straight. We are cleaning our brushes, and maybe also here in this part a little bit darker. Until this part drying, we will add darker green. We can change our brush with this little one, and we will mix this light green with this dark green, and maybe even with a little bit of brown. We will have some foliage here. All around we have this green because it is bushes and the leaves from Wisteria. Then I need the darker purple, and I will mix it with this one to get some other shade. So this part is not finished yet, it is not dried yet. Wisteria also have leaves, so we will add green all around. Now we need a darker for this part of the window because of these shadows. little bit more of dark green on all these places where branches don't let us to see light green. And a little bit here for good measure. Now we are waiting this to dry, and then we will add our shimmery colors on some places, not everywhere. First, this little light green from this side. Then we are cleaning a brush and going on very dark purple. Now again, paint is gray with a lot of water for the shadows around these Wisterias. And now I want to add a little bit of this bronze color here and here and also here and just a little here. Now we're waiting everything to dry. And now a bit more of this painter gray here around this window, here and there, just for the shadows. And now I want one flower to come super down here, like this, and also to be a little shimmery. And a little bit green for the leaves. Now a little bit of this here because we don't want this to be white. And this is, guys, my shimmery wisteria and old window. So I think I need to fix this part with this gray. And this. that is all. See you in the next one. Bye.